So today we are diving into an incredible success story from Ghana, where a dumping ground has become a very beautiful recreational center in the country, thus making waves on the global stage. It's all about the Kpone Landfill decommissioning project, a groundbreaking initiative that recently earned international recognition at the World FedEx Conference 2024 in Geneva, Switzerland. If you are wondering how a landfill site turned into a global model for sustainable development, stick with me as we break it down in simple terms, from the challenges faced to the innovative solutions implemented. This story highlights the power of teamwork, engineering, and a vision for a cleaner and greener future. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video as it helps inform more people, and subscribe to this channel as well. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the problem that led to the Kpone landfill site. Located in the Greater Accra region, the Kpone landfill was a massive dumping ground for waste. Over the years, it became an environmental and public health nightmare. Picture a mountain of trash, releasing harmful gases, polluting the air and water, and creating health risks for nearby communities. With Ghana's rapid urbanization and growing population, waste management has become a huge challenge. Landfills like Kpone were not just eyesores, they pose serious environmental and health threats. Clearly, something had to be done, and that's where the government stepped in. The Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, supported by private sector partners, decided it was time to tackle this issue head-on. The goal: turn this massive problem into an opportunity for positive change, where a dumping ground has become a very beautiful recreational center in the country. Now, here's where it gets exciting. The government partnered with some of the best minds in engineering and waste management to create the Kpone Landfill decommissioning project. At the heart of the project was a simple yet ambitious idea: to transform the landfill into a usable green space. Leading the charge was Zoom Lion Ghana Limited, part of the Kpone Group, in collaboration with FedEx Limited, a Ghanaian engineering consultancy, and a host of local and international partners. These included big names like Watershed Geo of USA and Harleton, amongst others. Together, they brought in cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions to get the job done. The process wasn't easy. Decommissioning a landfill site involves much more than just covering it up. They had to stabilize the waste, reduce harmful gas emissions, and ensure that the area was safe for future use. It's like giving a toxic site a full body makeover, but on a massive scale. Fast forward to September 2024, and this project was in the spotlight at the World FedEx Conference in Geneva. Now, if you are not familiar with FIDIC, which I pronounce here as FedEx, is the global organization for engineering and construction professionals. Their annual conference brings together some of the brightest minds from around the world to share ideas and celebrate innovation. The theme of this year's conference was transforming lives with infrastructure, investing in and building a better world for all. And guess what? The Kpone Landfill decommissioning project fits the bill perfectly. During the event, Engineer Felix Astrim, the CEO of FedEx Limited, delivered a powerful presentation titled "Keeping the Menace the Sustainable Way," a case of the Kpone landfill decommissioning. He explained how the project not only tackled the environmental crisis, but also created a blueprint for solving similar challenges in other countries. Conference participants, including leaders from the top engineering firms around the world, government agencies, and international organizations, were blown away. They praised the project as a shining example of how infrastructure can address critical global issues like climate change, urbanization, and public health. So what exactly did the Kpone project achieve? For starters, it turned a hazardous landfill into a safe green space that people can now use and enjoy. The environmental benefits are huge: reduced pollution, improved air quality, and better water management in the surrounding areas. But it wasn't just about the environment. This project also had major impact on public health. By eliminating the health risks associated with the landfill, it created a safer, healthier community for the people living nearby. And let's not forget about the economic benefits. The project created jobs for local workers and set the stage for more sustainable waste management practices in Ghana. It's proof that investing in infrastructure can have ripple effects, improving lives in many ways than one. One of the key takeaways from this project is the power of collaboration. As Engineer Astrim highlighted in his presentation, The success of the Kpone project was only possible because of strong partnerships. The government worked hand in hand with private sector players like the Jospon Group and Fidems Limited, as well as international experts from the USA and beyond. Local communities also played a crucial role, providing input and support throughout the process. This kind of teamwork shows that big challenges like managing waste on a massive scale can be overcome when everyone works together. The Kpone landfill decommissioning project has set a new standard for waste management and environmental rehabilitation, not just in Ghana but across the region. It's now a model that other countries can look for inspiration. At the World FIDIC Conference, the project was celebrated as a game changer, bringing international recognition to Ghana's engineering and waste management capabilities. It's a proud moment for the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources, the Just One Group, Fidems Limited, and everyone else involved. And as we bring you this video to bring light to the Kpone landfill decommissioning project, the big takeaway is that it's not just about fixing a landfill, it's about showing what is possible when innovation, collaboration, and determinations come together, and also inform on Ghana's development. That has been our key focus. This project has transformed lives, protected the environment, and put Ghana on the map as a leader in sustainable development. It's proof that even the biggest problems can be turned into opportunities for positive change. What do you think about this incredible transformation? Do you see similar projects happening in the community? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video as it helps inform more people, share this content across platforms, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, for more inspiring stories from Ghana and beyond. Check out this next video on other exciting projects happening right here in Ghana that adds up to Ghana's development. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.